Finding the best lunch bag in 2026 requires balancing exceptional insulation performance, leak protection, large storage capacity, and everyday material durability. This definitive buying guide thoroughly reviews 5 top-rated models to help you select the ideal companion for your daily meal preparation.
Product number 1, Pafolia Insulated Lunch Bag for Women, 8-liter, black. Designed with standard office commutes and daily meal prep in mind, the Pafolia Insulated Lunch Bag for Women offers a compact yet surprisingly efficient 8-liter capacity. It is specifically tailored to fit 1 full, well-portioned container meal or up to 6 standard beverage cans. The exterior presents a sleek, professional black fabric that fits seamlessly into corporate environments, while the inside features a fully leak-proof thermal lining. This thermal core keeps salads crisp or hot entrees insulated for hours until lunch break arrives. The wide-mouth zipper opening makes packing tight glass containers effortless, avoiding accidental tilts or spills. While it lacks a shoulder strap, its reinforced top grab handles ensure safe, easy transport. It is an exceptional value pick for working professionals who prioritize a lightweight footprint over massive bulk.
Product number 2, Expandable Lunchbox Cooler Bag, 22-liter, black. If you need a rugged, high-capacity option built for long shifts, heavy meals, or outdoor recreation, this 22-liter expandable lunchbox cooler bag is a powerhouse. The standout feature is its expandable design, allowing you to instantly scale the interior space up or down depending on your daily intake. At full capacity, it comfortably holds multiple meal prep containers, snacks, and drinks for an entire day away from home. The interior utilizes thick, premium insulation paired with heat-welded seams to guarantee absolute leak protection, even when ice packs begin to melt. Carrying this heavy-duty bag is remarkably comfortable, thanks to the adjustable, padded shoulder strap and an integrated luggage strap for travel. It is a fantastic option for construction workers, campers, and anyone needing a reliable daily driver cooler bag.
Product number 3, IUE 16-ounce food thermos for hot food. The IUE 16-ounce food thermos provides a completely different approach to lunch preservation by focusing heavily on vacuum-insulated temperature control for liquids and hot dishes. Constructed from ultra-durable 316L medical-grade stainless steel, it offers superior corrosion resistance compared to standard options. The 16-ounce capacity is perfectly tailored for a child's school lunch or a controlled adult portion of hot soup, chili, or pasta. Engineered with a reliable multi-layer sealing lid, it is guaranteed leak-proof, allowing you to toss it casually into a backpack without anxiety. It features a built-in folding spoon tucked neatly into the lid, saving you from packing separate silverware. The wide opening makes both eating and post-lunch cleaning incredibly simple. It keeps meals steaming hot for hours, making it an indispensable asset for chilly days.
Product number 4, Yozmot Expandable Lunchbox Cooler Bag, 22-liter, black. The Yozmot 22-liter expandable lunchbox cooler is engineered explicitly for heavy-duty utilization under demanding outdoor or job site conditions. Featuring a massive 22-liter capacity when fully unzipped, it effortlessly bridges the gap between a standard daily lunchbox and a weekend picnic cooler. The heavy-duty exterior shell is crafted from water-resistant, abrasion-resistant fabric that handles rough handling, concrete surfaces, and dirt without tearing or staining. Inside, the extra-thick insulation ensures exceptional thermal retention, keeping contents chilled or warm throughout a standard 12-hour shift. Multiple exterior zippered compartments provide designated, organized spaces for tech accessories, keys, or napkins, keeping them completely isolated from the cold zone. Equipped with premium zippers and reinforced stress points, this bag is a premier investment for those who need rugged, everyday reliability.
Product number 5, Mier Expandable Lunch Bag, Insulated Lunchbox, black. Combining structural intelligence with everyday portability, the Mier Expandable Lunch Bag is a highly versatile option for modern workers and travelers alike. Its smart, expandable main compartment expands seamlessly to provide extra room for days when you need an extra water bottle or afternoon snacks.
A dedicated integrated side mesh bottle holder ensures your drinks stay upright and easily accessible without wasting interior storage room. The interior features eco-friendly PVA insulation with heat-welded seams, offering reliable leak-proof performance when kept relatively flat during transit. It features multiple carrying options, including a comfortable, detachable shoulder strap and an innovative top handle equipped with a swing clip to attach the lunchbox directly to a backpack. It is an exceptionally well-constructed, versatile choice for dynamic commuters.
Choosing the right lunch container ultimately depends on your daily volume and thermal requirements. If you prefer compact, clean organization for simple office meals, the Portfolia 8-liter or the Insulated IUA thermos keep footprints minimal. For demanding work environments, extensive travel, or multi-meal storage, the heavy-duty 22-liter expandable options from Meyer, Yosmat, or the standard 22-liter cooler ensure your food stays safe, organized, and perfectly insulated all day long.